Smart Valor is becoming the first digital asset exchange in Europe to be listed on Nasdaq, the global largest technology exchange. This is a big achievement, not only for us, but also for the crypto industry. And now, as we are almost in the final phase, currently in the public offering phase, where public can subscribe and buy the share. Now we receive a lot of questions. So I summarized them kind of like in top 5 questions that, we receive over and over again. So number 1, a lot of people ask, what is the valuation of the company? So the valuation is fixed at $78 million pre-money valuation, right? And this is very attractive valuation in our opinion, because this is approximately a revenue multiple of 10, which is very difficult to find in crypto space. It more tends to be like in the range of 20 to 30. Well, then there is also a question how much is available at this valuation. So in total, we're raising $14.7 million. And from this amount we already raised 12 million in 2 private placements, so only up to $2.7 million are left during now the public offering. The previous private placements, all of this was at the same valuation, right? The previous private placement were oversubscribed. We have amazing investors joining us, very famous big name investors from crypto space, but also obviously traditional investors, and we're very, very, very grateful and happy to have such great investors with us on this journey. And some people ask like why the issue was so oversubscribed, and the reason is very simple. We've been in the space, I personally have been in crypto for the last 8 years, achieved a lot, built a brand, built track record of delivering things. We built very solid tech for exchange brokerage, trading of any digital assets, not just crypto, any digital assets. We built an integrated NFT marketplace into this infrastructure. And we got all of this for all of this regulatory permissions and authorizations. This is a very important part of our business. Finally the company started to scale, right? In the scaling phase, last year transactions on the exchange were growing over 1,000% as of December 2021. And we see this as just the beginning of this journey. Licensing the technology and working together with banks, but also building out the NFT and tokenization of real assets. This is a huge opportunity. Well, then also there is a question, what is the minimal sum? Great news, there is no minimal sum. This is a public offering in one of European countries. So the exchange, the Nasdaq First North, is domiciled in Sweden. It's European Union law, and there is no minimum. The question is how to subscribe. Well, this is a little bit tricky. If you're not in Sweden, then the only way to subscribe is through filling out the form, which can be found on our website. So on our website, smartvalor.com, there is a section Investor Relations, and in there is IPO subsection, and there is a form which needs to be printed out, filled out, and sent by airmail to Sweden, our investment bank. Very, traditional way, but that's how the subscription for IPO within the MiFID regulation works, right? So for everybody who is not in Sweden and sending this per airmail, your mail needs to arrive in Sweden by 3rd of February. This is the last day. So actually it's better to send it Monday. Otherwise it's probably going to be late. Well, that's this question. What else do we have? What's special about it? What's special about it is that we are making history. We're becoming the first European digital asset exchange to list on such an amazing, huge global brand and global international technology exchange such as Nasdaq, this is just very, very big, you know. And believe me, it wasn't easy. We had a lot of hurdles on the way. There were really big challenges, and at some point we even thought like maybe it's really impossible. The wedding between, or the marriage between crypto and Wall Street is very difficult to arrange, right? But despite all of these challenges, we made it very close to the goal. On the 10th of February, we will be ringing the bell. There will be a listing ceremony. And I hope you will join us.